day number 4 of doing the viral gel flaxseed mask, and it's honestly starting to make quite a big difference in my skin. At least I've been noticing with the redness of my blemishes that I have over here just underneath of my nose. I've been noticing it dries probably about in like 15-20 minutes, so I'm just gonna clean a little bit of the bathroom because we got our organizers yesterday, which is really exciting. I'm pumped to unbox them and set them up. It's gonna make a big difference in having all of the skincare, toiletries, and everything all with us at all the times, so that we could try all the different masks, because I have lots of different clays and everything like that that I also want to use. It's been about 20 minutes or so, and my face is feeling pretty dry, very tight, so I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse everything off, have a little body scrub, and then I'll be right back to show you the results. So this is what my skin is looking like directly after the shower with no moisturizers on. I'm actually going to give you a little bit of a close-up so that way you can see how everything is progressing. Again, I definitely have been noticing a difference already. My skin feels super hydrated. I like that a lot. We're just going to put our creams on now, and then make sure to come back tomorrow if you want to keep checking out the progression. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you later, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Okay, bye.